Is CashApp really an easy way to earn free PayPal cash online, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different free ways to make some extra money, and many viewers have asked me about this particular app. So I decided to join and test it, and in this CashApp review I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, show the pros and the cons, so you know exactly what to expect and if this is the right earning opportunity for you or not. So before I log into the app and show you around, I just wanted to clarify something, because CashApp, when you search for it, then there are two different options. There's one called CashApp, Cash Rewards app, and then another one just called CashApp. And you see, if you just look at the logo, they look a little bit similar, even with the colors and everything. But this CashApp, this one with this logo, is a financial app where you have different options. You can see, for example, send and buy Bitcoin and pay for things and things like that. And the other one, this Cash Rewards app, is where you can do small tasks and earn for free. And this is the app that I will be talking about in this video, just to clarify that. So if you're looking for information about the other one, that's not this, then this is the one we will be talking about in this video. So I will now log into the app, pull it up on the screen, and then show you exactly how it works. So I have now pulled CashApp up on the screen, and it is fairly simple to get started. You just download it, sign up, and then you have the earning opportunities you can scroll up and down and see. And if you've used any get paid to sites or apps before, many of these things will be familiar. They have these fantastic offers, wow offers, and offer walls. Like, these are similar to offer walls on other get paid to site, meaning you can find small different offers and download apps or play games and do different things and get paid for that. And they have these different ones where some of them are harder, but they also pay more. But if we just try to show you an example like this one, it has quite a lot of different options where you can earn quite a bit, but they also require you to do quite a lot. So you see, some of them you would need to just click it to see exactly what you need. For example, I would need to achieve level 42 in this game to get these earnings, and that's very important to be aware of. So it will definitely take some effort for some of these particular offers, but they have many others. See, I just got 2 credits for I am actually not even sure what I got that for right now. I watched a video right before starting recording this. Maybe this was just a delayed notification, but 2 credits is not really a lot. Anyways, we'll talk more about what these credits and these points are worth later. For now, what you need to understand is that the main way to earn is these offers. They also do have some paid surveys, but the paid surveys definitely not worth it in my opinion. There are many other better survey apps. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check out some of my favorite survey apps. For the offer walls, some of them pay decently, but just not good enough compared to many other offer walls that I have seen on other get paid to sites and get paid to apps. But we'll talk more about the overall earning potential when we talk about how to cash out and how much the points are worth, because you get these coins that can be a little bit difficult to figure out. Because, like, how much do you earn? Let's see, if you see an offer wall and you see that you can earn 19,000 points, it sounds definitely like a lot, but it's not necessarily really that much. But we'll talk more about that later. Another option is to earn by watching videos. This is where you will watch ads for other apps, and some of them are really poor apps in my opinion and experience, and you will get 2 credits, and it will take around 1 minute. It will take a lot of patience to earn anything, because 2 credits, as we'll find out later, is really not worth a lot. So it will take you hours and hours, and it's just really a waste of time to earn by watching these videos, in my opinion. And the other ones are just small tasks like spreading it. You can share your link on Facebook and things like that and get paid. So these are the earning methods. It's very easy to get an overview, easy to earn in one sense. In another sense, really not that easy, but that all comes down to how much can you earn, how much are the points worth. So let's talk about that next. So I just jumped to the payout section, and you can see you have different options. You can get paid via PayPal, but the exact payout methods and the payout threshold, how much you need to earn to get paid, can vary from country to country. In my country, I would need to earn 5 euros to get paid. That is 6,500 credits. So then you can figure out like around 1,300 credits is worth 1 euro. But that also means 100 credits will be worth only around 7 cents. So you can see if you get 2 credits for watching a video, you would have to watch like 50 videos to earn just 7 cents. So 50 videos would probably take you around an hour or something like that to earn 7 cents by watching the video. So that's why I said it's really not worth watching the videos. But some of the offers, they can be worth it, but the ones that give higher rewards, they really require a lot of effort. And for the exact same offers, you can, in many cases, in my opinion anyways and experience, you can find better rewards on other similar platforms. CashApp can be a way to earn and you can get paid, but it's just not a very effective app compared to many others. And personally, I prefer just focusing on the ones that really are worth it because there are so many options. So if there's one that is not quite as good as the others, why not just focus on the best ones? That's my opinion anyways. So overall, to sum it all up, CashApp is a way to potentially earn some extra money online for free. It's just not a very effective method. I do like that the payout threshold is fairly low, but it can still take some patience to reach. And in general, the earning methods are just not super impressive compared to many other get paid to sites and apps. Personally, after having tested it, it's not an app that I will be using anymore because I just prefer focusing on the ones that are the most effective ways to earn. But since many viewers have asked me about it, I wanted to give you an inside look and share my opinion about it and say, yes, you can get paid, but in my opinion, I just personally prefer using other get paid to apps and sites instead because I just overall prefer what many other options offer instead. But I hope this video helped you, gave you an idea about what to consider and if this is the right option for you or not. And if the video did help you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.